Here's a look at the KDK running and fully restored. It's finally done. Sanding those blades and repainting them was much harder than it should have been. I had to use wet sandpaper because the dry one wasn't doing it properly. I guess the grid was wrong. It's about to rain. It's been raining for like the past 2 days, and I don't want it to happen again. Because I have a project I'm working on, and it's outside here. Every time it gets wet, there's going to be corrosion and rust. Just pure corrosion and rust. So yeah, this works. And yeah, I have to sand and repaint the blades 2 times because the first time I didn't do it properly. On the first time, I put too much primer on it, then it started to leak. Then like 3 times actually. Then on the second time I did it, I put the paint on when it was humid. So then it chipped off again, and I had to sand it again, this time with wet sandpaper, and paint it again, and here it is now. It looks near new, but I can't get it to look completely new. I think that would actually be impossible. Why? Because, well, let me just stop it. You see these blades, they're not that shiny, because I didn't have enough paint to do all coats. On this fan, it's one of the very few fans I actually bothered painting the top of the blades on. As for the motor, it's got nicks and scuffs in it. Again, faded KDK logo that nobody decided to help me with. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a ceiling fans at my house video after this. Because somebody asked me to on the other video of this fan, so yeah. I'm just going to remove it quickly, and I'll do that video soon.